Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and Edge closed. This lets you change taskbar items safely. First, open Settings and go to Personalization, then select Taskbar. Once there, locate the Search or Widgets toggle. Windows splits these features by build version, so look for Search or Show Search box. If you're on Windows 11, use Taskbar Behaviors to access the search option. Make sure to save any open work before toggling, because changes can refresh the taskbar immediately. Now you'll turn the search element off. This is the core change. In taskbar settings, switch the search option to hidden or toggle off show search box. Windows 10 and 11 label it differently. Once done, the desktop should update. If it doesn't, restart Explorer. EXE through Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, then restart. This forces the taskbar to refresh without a full reboot. If your build controls search via widgets, disable widgets instead. Each step removes the visible search UI rather than uninstalling Edge itself. Finish by signing out and back in, or rebooting to confirm the search bar is gone. This clears cached shell state. If a corporate or family account keeps restoring it, use group policy or registry edits, only if you understand the risk, to enforce the hidden state. Make sure to document any registry changes. If the search returns after updates, reapply your setting and check for account policies preventing change. The key troubleshooting tip: verify account privileges and group policies before deeper edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.